Hello again. You see, a new day, a new project. I have this power supply, and this one came from an B6 Pro that get ruined, and I couldn't fix it anymore. You know, processor blew up, and I really don't care about that because I have some more, so it's okay. But this power supply is very capable, you know, and I can easily have around 10 amps, 11, even 12 amps. And what I'm trying to do is to change the voltage, because I intend to use this one for a 12 volts battery charger. So what I found so far, the circuit over here, it's called OB2268, a very highly integrated current mode P-wave modulation control optimized for high performance. And it's a really nice circuit. It have a lot of features. It can have a short protection too, and many other things. So we have pin number 2. It's for feedback. If we take a schematic, and you can see very clear of there is a circuit. It's called TP431, and that's a precision programmable reference. And with that, you know, the diode can be controlled in a proper way, and we can adjust the lighting to the diode, I may say, when the phototransistor is getting a certain level of light, then it's changing the pulse width modulation, and so we can have different voltage on the output. So I found the resistor going to pin 1 of TL4321, and that resistor needs to be changed. The original value, it was around 7 kilo ohms. What I have done, I took that out and I put a potentiometer. I couldn't find another one, but I have a 22 kilo ohms. It should be better to have something like maybe 10 kilo ohms. It's much better. And then with this potentiometer I can change the feedback level. Doing like that, I can also change the voltage. And this it's very okay, because then I can use this for my purposes very easily, and it's also nice to have it for a lab power supply with different voltages in between 6 volts and 20 volts. Be really careful, don't touch this area. This is a high voltage area, so it's better if we protect this for a little while. Don't touch that, it's really dangerous. So let me have my voltmeter here. Okay, power on. And we already have here 15 volts. Now if I'm changing the value, then I can go down to 8.6, 8.7.5 something, and then I can go up to 20 volts, even 21. So I can play within 8 volts, from 8 volts to 20 volts. I can use this very nice for, let's say, for a laptop power supply, and here around 12.6 or something I can use it for a battery charger. That's how I did it, very easy to modify this power supply for different voltages. What's nice about is that, let me turn it off, there's still a lot of power in the electrolytic capacitor, so it's really dangerous. Like I told you before, avoid to touch any of these parts, because they are still charged with very dangerous voltages. What's nice about that, it have a shortcut protection too. So let's say even if the power it's exceeding more than what I found out. If it's more than 8 amps, 9 amps around here, then the circuit is starting off, and this is a kind of self-protection for a short circuit. What I'm gonna do next, I'm finding the right details about this circuit. I'm gonna try to have it a kind of current limiter also. But for now, I'm very satisfied with this mode and modification, let's say. And like I said, I'm gonna use it to charge a 12-volt battery. So what I have done over here, I just put an LED, like a pilot lamp, to see if it's working or not. And I'm gonna have a fan. You see the fan over here, and the fan will blow in the moment when it really have a temperature, you know, it reaches a certain temperature. You see, it was starting. That's a really good idea to have this extra cooling just when is necessary. So here we go, everything is back in case. Now let's power on. So we got power over there. Let me check the voltage first of all. We got 13.8 volts. That's more than perfect for now. And all we have to do now is to connect it to the batteries. Like I'll show you later, I just did a port over here for easy access to the battery to 12 volts, and here we go. And now we got 12 volts over there, and let me see the amps, and it's charging with 9.8 amps, and we have 12.67 volts. And you can hear the fan. The fan is already starting, and this is a good sign. That means that the charger is working as it should. Like I said before, it have a shortcut proof, so I really don't feel any problem with having this on all the time. But it will be connected to Sonoff, and I'm gonna have a special schedule for each day. You know, this battery charger, it's helping the solar panel I have for the batteries, which is not strong enough. It's only 100 watts, and it's not enough for charging the batteries to my purpose, for my needs every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with some other projects. Be safe. Bye bye for now.